Welcome to Fact Frog.
Hey there, curious explorers! Did you know that these tiny lizards are some of the coolest creatures on the planet? Today, we're going to dive into 15 awesome facts about geckos that will blow your mind. From their sticky feet that let them walk on walls, to their ability to see in the dark, and even grow back their tails, geckos are full of surprises. So, get ready for a fun adventure as we discover what makes geckos so incredible. Let's go! Fact number 1. Geckos are amazing because there are more than 1,500 different types of them. This means there are many geckos with different colors, sizes, and shapes. Some are tiny, while others are bigger. They live in lots of places around the world, like hot deserts, tropical rainforests, and even in our houses sometimes. Each kind of gecko has its own special features that help it live in its specific environment. Fact number 2. One of the coolest things about geckos is their sticky feet. Geckos have special toes that let them climb almost anything, even smooth walls and ceilings. Their toes have millions of tiny hairs called setae. These hairs are so small that they can grip onto surfaces at a microscopic level, kind of like how Velcro works. This helps geckos move around easily, even upside down. Fact number 3. Geckos are unique because they can make sounds to communicate with each other. They chirp, click, and even bark. These sounds help geckos talk to each other to find mates, warn others of danger, or protect their territory. Each gecko species has its own special sounds, making their communication quite interesting. Did you know that geckos have a super cool trick to escape predators? They can drop their tails. If a predator grabs a gecko by the tail will break off and keep wiggling. This distracts the predator, giving the gecko a chance to run away. Don't worry, the gecko can grow a new tail later. It's like having a spare part. When a gecko loses its tail, it doesn't stay tailless forever. Geckos have the amazing ability to regrow their tails. The new tail might look a little different from the original one and is usually simpler in structure. It's not exactly the same, but it still works well for balance and fat storage. Seeing in the dark. Most geckos are nocturnal, which means they are active at night. They have fantastic night vision that helps them see in the dark. Their eyes are specially designed to capture as much light as possible, allowing them to hunt for insects and move around easily when it's dark outside. Did you know that some geckos can change their color to blend into their surroundings, just like chameleons? This ability is called camouflage, and it helps geckos hide from predators and stay safe. They change color by adjusting special cells in their skin called chromatophores. This cool trick helps them avoid danger and sometimes communicate with other geckos. Did you know that some geckos can change their color to blend into their surroundings, just like chameleons? This ability is called camouflage, and it helps geckos hide from predators and stay safe. They change color by adjusting special cells in their skin called chromatophores. This cool trick helps them avoid danger and sometimes communicate with other geckos. Geckos can live a long time, especially when they are well taken care of as pets. Some geckos, like leopard geckos, can live up to 20 years or more. Their long lifespan is one of the reasons people enjoy keeping them as pets. With good care, including proper food and a safe environment, geckos can be long-term companions. Female geckos lay eggs to have babies. They usually lay 1 or 2 eggs at a time and find a safe, hidden place to keep them protected. Some geckos lay their eggs in the ground, while others find nooks and crannies in trees or rocks. The eggs stay there until they hatch, and tiny baby geckos, called hatchlings, come out ready to explore the world. Unlike us, geckos don't have eyelids to blink or close their eyes. Instead, they have a clear scale over their eyes called a spectacle. To keep their eyes clean, geckos use their tongues to lick their eyes. This helps them see clearly and keeps their eyes from getting dry or dirty. While many geckos love eating insects, some also enjoy fruits and nectar. This makes them omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. For example, the crested gecko likes to eat mashed fruits and even special fruit-flavored gecko food. This varied diet helps geckos stay healthy and survive in different environments. Some gecko species can reproduce without a mate. This process, called parthenogenesis, allows female geckos to lay fertile eggs without needing a male. This is a rare and fascinating adaptation in the animal kingdom. Fact number 14. Some geckos tap their tails on the ground to send messages to other geckos. This is useful for finding friends or warning others to stay away. Is it not cool? Gecko skin is not just for show. It has special properties that help keep them safe. Their skin can heal quickly and has natural antimicrobial properties, which means it can fight off germs and infections. This is very important because geckos can get hurt while moving around their environment.
That was the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.